Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials, app version and device OS, because emoji rendering depends on both. Once done, backup chats or enable cloud sync so nothing is lost when you switch packs. Now force close Messenger and clear its cache. This removes stale assets. Make sure to keep the App Store open to update immediately. Doing these steps first prevents conflicts between old emoji files and new system glyphs, and sets a clean state for the next operations. You now update both Messenger and system components, because mismatched emoji sets cause the old icons to appear. Install the latest Messenger update, then check for font or emoji updates from your device maker and apply them. If the problem persists, obtain an emoji pack or system patch that matches your OS version. Install carefully, following permissions. Once installed, open Messenger, toggle any custom emoji settings off then back on, and send a test message in a draft chat to confirm the replacements render correctly. You finish by rebooting the device so the system loads updated emoji assets. This often resolves lingering display issues. If old emojis still appear, uninstall Messenger and reinstall it, then restore your backup. This forces a fresh asset download. Make sure to test messages on another device or browser. Emoji differences can be device-specific. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, ask contacts to update their apps. Emoji mismatch sometimes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.